Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today, I have another important update on the whole Haitian affairs. I don't know why it seems like the people who should be paying attention to this not paying as much as it deserves. This is no small feat. People just report on it like it was another story. Turns out, it's not just Uncle Sam alone that provide quote-unquote training. The Canadians are now a part of the show. Canadians are getting for them slice of the cake. 70 Canadian troops drop a Ironman to help train the CARICOM force to deal with quote-unquote core peacekeeping skills and combat first aid, end quote. Combat first aid, peacekeeping skills. It's almost ironic. If you go somewhere, if you go quote-unquote peacekeep, combat not supposed to go on, but of course, them think that is buzzwords. In reality, when time you see people go to quote-unquote peacekeeping, usually involves some kind of battling. That's the irony. Peacekeeping often involves war fighting. Oh, and one of we quote-unquote charge them was supposed to roll up on we. Lend some troops before we go, show the Haitians them how it's done. They charge you back out on we. Yes, our country already left the party. Never talk about it. Before we get into that, I have a Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Jason, aka JT. To them special day. To them Earth Strong. Once again, it was a late video. But JT, me know, see you still a listen, still a tune in. Hope you had a great day. Big up yourself, bro. More life and prosper. See? Remember, health is wealth. Always about the Patreon squad I reason with, so, let me say you have people who pass through and do a one heal every now and then, and you have the regular people who want to talk to. That's what JT say, so, we don't even have to say too much. So JT, big up yourself. So, Canadian mission in Jamaica. I'm reading an article let me see. Foreign news article. Big article and big journalists. It's approximately 70 Canadian Armed Forces members deployed to Ironman to train military personnel from several Caribbean countries to be a part of the multinational security force led by Kenya and backed by the United Nations. Backed by the United Nations in words and in spirit and in mind. On a real backing, because for a real backing, they will actually lend some real muscle. When they say backed by United Nations and backed by this and backed by that, this is like when I made at school. And your friend them boost you up. Your friend them say, yo man, don't take no this dog, don't take no this dog. What I mean, go thump the boy in them face, dog. And them sit up behind you. And the man tell you to go thump the next youth in them face. When the fighting start, they live on your own. That's what I mean by backing, as them they wear on a back. Everybody they wear on a back and I go watch Ironman and Bahamas and them country make a fool of themselves. Telling already long before barbecue said, the moment troops touch down with rifle in a hand, it's going to be interpreted as a fight. You want smoke? And there will be smoke. The one that I'm named barbecue, there'll be a smoke. This is what I found laughable as I go through the article. It said the Canadian personnel will provide training on, the core peacekeeping skills and all them things. But listen to them say troops them. Where them provide the training to. Listen to the countries where they come from. Listen to who are going to go Haiti go fight gangs. Ready? Jamaica, Belize, Bahamas. Jamaica, Belize and Bahamas. Now yesterday I dropped the video and shown the top 10 highest murder rate in the world. How ironic that 3 countries that make the top 10 have suddenly decided that they're now going to go fight gang when they can't fight gang in their own country. Jamaica can't dismantle gangs in Jamaica. Belize can't dismantle gangs in Belize. Bahamas can't dismantle gangs in Belize. Bahamas can't dismantle gangs in Bahamas. Right, so none of these countries can crush their own gangs. The gang them where them know about and speak the same language and can turn up at the man in yard and turn up at the man in ends. Right, them can't crush them gang them. But them are go set off on a quest to go crush gangs in our country where them don't even speak the language. Man over there I tell them we, and them I say, yeah man, are we there man? And I say, no, we. And I said, no, yeah, we there. We just forward. We forward. Don't even know what I want. Man say salute, and I throw up hand. I salute. You don't know the difference between salute and salute. Where Jamaica, Belize and Bahamas I go to go fight gang in Haiti. Man now stop saying it is laughable. The countries that struggle the most to crush gangs, no for crush next man one. You see it mentioned to Canada. Right. So them offer them support. And what them call support is, the training and them thing. Right. Listen to what them say. This is a statement from the Canadians. Canada is stepping up with important contributions to Haiti's security. We will contribute to support Haitian-led efforts to build stability, said for the Minister of National Defense. If you really care that much, send your own troops then. We are about to waste time train for just go straight tonight. The time you take a train, we just skip past all that because you don't know what going on already. So you don't have to waste time train. Just you go and go do it. Listen to this. It said roughly 3,000 Canadians are registered in Haiti. Right, in other words, 3,000 Canadians right, in Haiti with them know about. So that is probably why Canada have a vested interest in our Guan. I said probably because you never know what going behind the scenes. But them have people in Haiti. So Canada have people in Haiti, 3,000 people. And them not interested if you go save them themselves. Since them want to help these people because them say even some place where them there the roads them under gang control and people can't even leave. So you go for them. You have the plane them, you have the helicopter them, you have the troops, you have the funds. Go for them. Or Jamaican and Belizean and Bahamian troops being sent. If you go clear a road for next man people left country. What about questions you have to ask him? All these countries accept so the situation is critical, but them nah go. These are first world developed nations with first world developed militaries. And them nah go. They must stand up on the back and boots up man, just like in a school. Yeah dog, go on dog, thump him in the mouth dog, see one stone ya. That them a doing now. See one stone ya dog, lick me that stone ya. Lick me that stone ya. He goes on to mention that on top of efforts to get Canadians out safely, Canada is contributing $80.5 million to the multinational security force. On top of efforts to get Canadians out safely, it is not Jamaican troops' job to get Canadians out of Haiti safely. It is not JDF job to help get Canadians out of Haiti safely. Why Canada don't go for them people them? Canada, go for your people them. Contributing $80.5 million. Take the money and spend it and you go yourself. Take the $80.5, throw gas now on the vehicle them on the plane them and go for them. You know why they're in no rush to go for them? Because they know that this is going to be ugly. So ugly, that's even if something go wrong and them can't retrieve them people in Haiti, them say, well, we did try and we did make an effort. This way them get the best of both worlds. This way, them increase the chances of getting back them citizens. Right, getting them citizens out of Haiti without actually taking the losses man for them side. Because when losses start going and bodies start drop, it's going to be people from Jamaica, Belize, Bahamas and them place there. Kenya and them place there. People who Canada could care less about. Now, but telling you say one of we squad them drop out. And I mean drop out of the fight. Trinidad come out and say, actually we not about to go in the dog. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. Trinidad, right, me put this on Patreon and we have a good laugh on it. We have a good laugh for the Patreon squad bodies. It look like Trinidad have a good long sleep and say, you know what? I better brush my teeth and go back on bed, you know. Right, this is not for us. Trinidad has backed out of the mission and the mission does start. Trinidad, I mean, in terms of population size, Jamaica, right, so obviously Kenya the biggest, but Kenya and Africa. Right, but in terms of Caribbean countries who were going on the mission, the big country them in terms of population was Ireland and Trinidad, because those are million plus populations. Right. So Trinidad supposed to, you know, send a good look of strength to help the fight. Well, now Trinidad is saying they're not going away. They're not going nowhere. The Trinidad, the boss them Trinidad say, come go up. Come go up. It look like the Trinidadian them, or at least them leaders them, listen to the feedback from the people and listen to the people them asking the question and say, how we must go fight crime and fight gang in a country when time Trinidad have all 600 murder a year. Trinidad gone over the 600 murder a year mark. Trinidad might end up pass out Ireland soon. The highest murder rate in the world. I wanna go country but I wanna fight gang. Come in your yard. Come go up. Trinidad back out. Haitian Humbre. Now is the time. Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Now is the time. But now to go look away where psycho people use Ironman for training and all them things. They can't keep training. Make them go and train. Tell the Belize man them and tell the Bahamian them say, go and train. But you can train an Ironman, have all the fun in the one. But I'm gonna miss that one, yeah. Belly hurt, we can't make that trip, yeah. Can't make that trip, yeah. Kenya led 1,000 police from Kenya. Where 1,000 police from Kenya go Haiti go do? Them don't know Haiti, them don't know nothing about Haiti. The police them in Haiti will know Haiti can't manage the Haitian gang them. We know the streets them and know the little choppy them and know the lane them. Can't manage the gang them. But Haitian police, but Kenyan police are going to turn up and they'll start navigate streets. With JDF in tow. With the Belize Defense Force and all these people just walking around and quote unquote peacekeeping. This is madness. Canada want them people out, make Canada go for them. If Canada want their citizens out of Haiti, make Canada go for them. They have the means to do it. But their leaders don't want the political backlash. Right? That will happen when things go bad. Not if things go bad, but when things go bad. So, why not send some stooges? Why not send some cannon fodders? That's how they see Jamaicans. Belizeans, cannon fodders. Haitian Humbre, you know what to do. Nobody make pride on them thing they block you. Just do what you have to do. Right. Tell them so we can't make that shit, huh? Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.